there, my name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant. I'm the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com, and usually on my channel we talk about my journey of healing Hashimoto's with a carnivore diet. So if that sounds good to you, then stick around because today we're gonna make wings. Chicken wings are one of my favorite foods. I love to eat them so much. And for many years, you know, I was always on a diet. I was always watching my calories, watching my fat grams. So I didn't even eat chicken wings as a child. So to eat them now without guilt is just the best thing in the world. So I want to share my love of chicken wings with you. I have 2 pounds of wings. We're gonna make them carnivore diet friendly and super tasty and crispy and delicious. So stay all the way to the end to see this recipe. So you're gonna need about 1/3 cup of ghee. Gonna need some paprika, garlic, and cumin, and of course some good sea salt. Get you a nice big bowl, and this is the tray of my air fryer. If you want to cook these in the oven, you can do that. Just make sure you have a raised surface so that the grease and the water can get out and not make them too moist. So go ahead and put about half the wings into a bowl, and then you're gonna put a tablespoon of cumin. So I'm just gonna use my hands. It's about a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of paprika, and a tablespoon of garlic. And then put about 1 tablespoon of a good sea salt. Now I've melted the butter or ghee. You can use ghee if you have a dairy sensitivity. Put it on there. Now you just want to mix them up with your hands till they're all coated. Then you're going to put it over on to your air fryer tray and just try to get them to where they're not touching too much so that they'll all get cooked well. And you want to try to hurry so that the butter doesn't clump up too much. If you do it quick, it's better. Now you're going to put it on 20 minutes on high and air fry. And let it cook. These are just out of the oven. They got a little browned on the top, but let's see about the flavor. These are the ones with the spices. They are hot. Very good, very good. You could also use avocado oil if you're more of a keto person, but I use the melted butter. But just remember, be quick about getting it on there. Let's try one of the drumettes. Really tasty. That butter is good. Now take the remainder of the wings that you have and drop them in there, and make sure that you dry them off with some paper towels. So you don't want a lot of extra moisture on there. So do that. Now this time we're just gonna put about a tablespoon of salt. Mix that up. Now this time you want to have another 1/3 cup of butter, and you're going to melt it, and then you want to have your hot sauce. So I'm going to use sriracha, but you can use whatever hot sauce you want. So you're going to add about a tablespoon of that into your butter, and then you're going to melt that together. So this is all mixed up. I mean, it's all melted. So just going to mix it up now, so that you can coat your wings with it when they come out of the oven. You're gonna transfer this over to a bowl so that you can toss your wings into the hot sauce and butter mixture. You can also put about a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic if you want to, garlic powder. Okay, so I just got these out of the air fryer. They were on high for 20 minutes, and toss them in to the hot sauce mixture. Remember, they're very hot. So you're just gonna toss them up like that. And then transfer them over to a plate. Oh, hear that crunch? Look how good they look on the plate. Shiny, crispy, delish. One more tip, make sure and salt your chicken wings when you get them out of the oven. Again, salt to taste, because they probably need a little bit more after they cook. Okay, so now they're all done. Really good. If you like a little spicy, this is for you. I hope you've enjoyed that chicken wing recipe. It means the world to me that you come to my channel and watch. I really appreciate it. We have to get the word out about how meat-based diets can be healing for autoimmune conditions such as Hashimoto's and many other digestive issues, joint pain, you name it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, share, subscribe, and make sure to leave a thumbs up. It's really helpful. And also get my Carnivore ebook. It's 182 pages and it will change your life. It changed my life, so I put it all in an ebook so it can help you. Thanks for watching. You can get all my links and everything down below. Please leave a comment. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.